If you're new here, I am Renee and I transform, create, DIY and decorate here. So I'm going to decorate this space now. You have seen when it's empty and I'm going to start decorating. These are a few stuff that I'm going to use to decorate, starting off with the little office area. You guys would have seen the little corner that I created in the video, doing my office area in this corner. You can click the link in the description as well if you would like to see that video. So I try to find a few colors that I notice most persons decorate with fall, and seeing that it's my first time decorating for fall, as I said, in Jamaica we don't decorate or actually celebrate fall, but I love the vibes, I love the season, I love the colors that they use overseas in other countries for fall. I'm going to use a little yellow, gray, black, white and a little rust, just a little teeny tips of rust. So I'm just here adding some stuff to the office area. I'm going to go back and forth trying to remove, and then you will see how it turned out in the end. So heading over to the TV area, I'm going to keep this area simple, and I don't like stuff that are too tall. I find it distracting when I'm watching the TV and you have tall flowers or tall this. So I just created this flower pot here with some tiger tail flower, and I'm going to use a tray that I purchased at Beauty. They are located in Central Plaza. You can also check them out on Instagram. Also, this storage container, I'm going to put it under the TV stand as well, where I can just throw little knickknacks in it, throw little game in it as well, because you know the fall vibes heading into the Christmas season. We are going to need some game for family night, and that will make the space feel cozy as well. These storage containers are really helpful, and they have some smaller size as well at Beauty. So here I'm just going to put some other games that I have, and just to make this space functional for myself. Remember, when you live in a small space, you have to ensure you work with functionality of your small space. So for this corner, I'm going to add these yellow curtains. I purchased 2 panels at Mall Plaza Woolworth. The store is Woolworth in Mall Plaza, and I cut it in 2. So one panel I cut in 2, and for the other window, the other panel I cut in 2 as well. So that's a trick I mentioned before. You can cut your curtains so that you get more out of it. So if I was using another color, I could use 2 at the end and 1 in the middle. This picture frame I got as well in the shop with me video. You would have seen that video as well. I will add it in the description. So I did a little art, and I'm going to put it as well in this corner. You can let me know if you like this art, and I'm going to show the DIY video after this video as well. So if you want to see that video where I DIY'd these art, you can also let me know. So for this corner as well, I'm going to do a little DIY. I'm going to make a little lamp here. So I had this burgundy vase and I spray painted white. I had this lampshade a while now. I'm going to use this to create a lamp. So what I do, I use 2-sided tape to enforce and to stick the shade to the vase, and then I have this little round battery light that I'm going to stick inside of it, and I can turn it on and off anytime. For this rug, I had this rug a while as well. I love this rug. Honestly, I didn't know that this rug was so beautiful. I saw the picture on a paper, but I never pull it out and see the great effect of it. So this will bring a little cohesion into the space as well. And for the coffee table, I'm just going to add this box. I DIY'd this box some time ago. You might have saw it in some other video. I will try and link all the videos in the description that are mentioned in this video as well. This tray as well I got from Fashionera Beauty, and for the candle I got it at a pharmacy in Avondale Plaza. Now these cushions as well, I purchased them at Photo Express in Premier Plaza. I mentioned these in the haul in the shop with me video on a $50 budget, and these are some wall art that I DIY'd and framed as well. So you will see everything come together in the end of this video. For the dining area, I keep it very simple. I just put a simple vase with some bunny tail or fur plant. Guys, let me know what you call it. I saw and I just pick some and use it to decorate the space. So here's the before. Please let me know what you think about this fall decorate with me. It's the first time attempting fall, and just share in the comments what you think with the after. Again for watching this fall decorate with me video. If I did great, please let me know. Please share what you think about this video. Please remember to subscribe if you like content like this, and hit that notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload. Thank you.